This is Tridib and you are watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. A realist artist tries to depict an actual reality, while an abstract artist strives to show the exact opposite. Artists working during the 19th and 20th century used colors, various forms, shapes and lines to create paintings that purposefully failed, independent from any identifiable objects or surroundings. Obviously, without any doubt, abstraction gave artists a sense of freedom to experiment and reshape the traditional beliefs of art. Around the 20th century, a number of movements changed the meaning of abstract, and terms like Surrealism, Dadaism, Cubism, Fauvism came into being. And then artists like Picasso, Piet Mondrian, Kandinsky, Barbara Hepworth and others invented and refined their own versions of abstractions. For artists today, abstract art encompasses a huge range of different styles and artistic approaches. In today's episode, I am going to give you all a quick idea of different types of abstract art. But before we deep dive, a gentle request to like, share and comment on this video if you find it important. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get all our upcoming updates instantly. So without much ado, let's get started. So the first type of abstract painting is inspired by the work of the American abstract expressionist Jackson Pollock and is based on paint, splatter, drip and splash. This brings eclectic and energized feel to the art. Many packaging and large-scale print designs use this kind of art as wallpaper or background. Block color abstraction was introduced by American painter Mark Rothko, who was renowned for his large-scale color-filled paintings. Marbling or liquid pouring type techniques arguably started as early as 10th century in Japan as sumi nagasi and is supposed to be one of the earliest form of abstract art. The artist used to pour inks on paper or float color inks on water before transferring them on absorbent surfaces like a paper or a fabric. onset of the 20th century, Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque represented all possible viewpoints of a subject or object all at once. The result of this experimentation is Cubism, in which subjects appear fragmented and geometrically scattered. This style was further developed by Russian painter Vasily Kandinsky, who took Cubist style to a notch higher with non-figurative art. Artist Joan Miro combined abstract line drawings and paintings with surrealist objects. Much of his art was influenced by the printing process of lithography. Line art became a hallmark of Miro's art, and many other artists followed the style around 50s and the 60s. The Memphis Style originated from the movement initiated by a group of Italian designers, architects and artists in the early 1980s. Nowadays, Memphis Style has moved into a 3D territory, and the art is becoming a mix of 2D and 3D patterns. Organic abstract is a mid-century color pattern with muted colors, fluids and curve forms. Charles and Ray Eames reinterpreted these art styles during the 50s. 1960s and 70s, pop artists like Andy Warhol strove to make their artworks look like newspaper billboard ads. Halftones gives a retro flavor to the abstract art and becomes part of the pop art inspired heritage. Surrealism art aims to see a distorted version of reality by manipulating real-life imagery. Artists like Salvador Dali, René Magritte or Frida Kahlo study and practice this field in early 20th century. Their art juxtaposed images together that appeared irrational and sometimes unconventional. British sculptor Barbara Hepworth took this abstract art to altogether different level. Her monumental sculptures, cast in metal, stones and wood, represents the pinnacle of modernist art form in the 30s till the 60s. So that's all folks, hope you understood the various types of abstract art that have enriched the genre through ages. I would love to see all my aspiring artist friends try out the various abstract forms. Write to me and share your art, I will really feel great. If you have liked the video, kindly like, share and comment on the video. And if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of our upcoming updates. Till we meet again, goodbye and God bless.